সামনে লোক আছে মারি দিও না আমার Hey, welcome to Dabong.
Dabong.
We are two Bengalis out here in Bangalore. Both of us are radio jockeys. He's a very respected radio jockey. His name is Niladri.
And he is Shine Bhattacharya,
Yeah.
stand-up comedian, TV personality, radio presenter, lover,
Hugger,
and everything that you can get. And
ardent user of the washroom.
ardent user of the washroom, and he doesn't close the door. That's another thing. And yes, this is
Dabong. So basically, यहाँ पे हम लोग discuss करेंगे about a lot of things which are bong and the bong way of life in Bangalore and various other shit as and what we think. Okay, so since this is called Dabong, let's start with the most authentic thing that is Bengali. Like nothing else can represent Bengali as much as that thing. It's my father's favorite child.
which is
Borolin. So Borolin is like the best thing which has happened to bongs since the 1942 famine. No, so Borolin is like an all-rounder. Like it can be used for many things. Okay, like Borolin can be used as an antiseptic, which is what it's meant for, as a face cream, as a moisturizer, the beauty cream, and probably even lubricant or something. I have no idea. Like they haven't found a cure for Ebola. Purely the reasons that they have not tried applying Borolin on it yet. Like that's what Borolin represents to us Bengalis. You have memories?
what was the jingle like?
Oh, jingle! If you don't know what a Borolin is, like if you're not, Khushbudar antiseptic cream Borolin.
Yep.
Yes, that is the Borolin jingle. You might have heard about it. But you have Borolin memories and all?
No, not much of Borolin memories. But definitely my family were big users of the same cream. I look at this face, why would I need to use Borolin?
Hey, another thing which is very bong, okay, very close to bong, especially bong bombs, is एठो.
Yep.
Okay, now what is एठो? एठो is जो हिंदी में झूठा बोलते हैं ना, झूठा बोलते हैं, इसको वही एठो है. Now the Bengali concept of okay, the first Hindi concept of झूठा is you eat in a plate and plate के आसपास 5 centimeter radius is झूठा. तो उसमें आप कुछ मत रखो, उसको टच ना करो. The Bengali way of झूठा, which is called एठो, is like if you eat on a table, 100 kilometer radius around the table is एठो. So eat the food, get up and leave the city. Okay, like if I keep my and this is very true. Like if I keep my mobile phone, okay, ऐसे टेबल पे खाते खाते, my mom will wash the mobile phone. Like fuck electronics, एठो है उसको साफ करना बनता है. Like that is what it is, huh?
There is something, Shine. Is this common also where when you go and take a dump, you're supposed to take off all your clothes and then take a dump and not wear them after taking the dump? Is that
You wear them, probably wear them after taking a dump. But yeah, so taking a dump is not like the English where you roll down your pants and like, ha ha ha, no, fuck it, no, nothing. You're not even allowed to take books because hey, that's ganda. So eto means like, sorry, dump. Taking a dump is like you take off everything. You take off every single piece of cloth in your body, take a dump, and then probably wear them or just give them to wash. Also, another thing, so if you go to the barber, okay,
right.
I mean nowadays, but पहले जब बात है, so अगर आप barber के पास जाते हो, when you come back, every single piece of cloth in your body gets changed. If my mom had a way, like she would make me change outside the room, like outside घर के सबके सामने. But since she loves me, she'll like my whole way would be घर के अंदर आओ from the door and go straight to the washroom, no detours. If I take a detour, wherever I go, that is ganda now.
Yeah, it becomes that. Yeah.
Yes. So like they used to treat Dalits way back in those days, that's how my mom treats me when I go to a barber or something like that.
What about superstitions, Shine?
Oh, what a topic. Like bong superstitions, like every bong's like it's like sexual arousal hota hai. Like, but let's start with your superstitions.
Superstitions for me, when I was a kid, if I lost something,
Virginity.
not virginity, Shine, but if I lost something like a cricket bat or a,
Let's hit the cow. No, don't hit the
no, I
cow.
won't hit the cow. Mata. Yep. So if I
Cow
lost,
is like मेरे को जाना है, मेरे को इधर नहीं देखना है, इधर क्या है? I think cows on the roads, I'm so sorry but to interrupt, but cows on the road, it makes me feel like they are stoned, like they are like, you know, when you smoke up and all, I mean I have seen others do it, I haven't done it, but when you smoke up and all, so you like, you know, you chew slowly like हाँ क्या है, क्या scene है, like cows are that only. मेरे को सीधा जाना है, भाड़ में जा इधर उधर.
because at the end they're eating grass.
Oh, nice one.
Now back to the
Yeah.
superstition.
Yeah.
Now when I lost something, if I did lose something, a bat or a wallet or a book or something, I would go to my mom, and my mom would say, make a bandure lej,
What is Bandra?
which is basically you take some cloth and you tie it into like a slip knot and you hang it from some place.
Slipknot is the name of a band.
Yeah, it's also like you just make a knot out of it and you know you hang it so it It looks like a monkey's tail.
This has not reached my mom yet.
And the next day,
Huh.
whatever you lost will come back to you. That's called Bandra late shine.
Huh.
Yep.
Fuck. Did it ever happen to you?
Yes, it did, but I'm very sure my mom hid the thing herself just to teach me a lesson. So yeah, Bandra
Lot
late
of
is-
superstitions.
Lot of superstitions.
Lot of, like मेरे घर में ना तो अगर आपका चप्पल ऐसे रहता है राइट चप्पल अगर आपको
Yeah.
उल्टा रहता है
Right.
लाइक दैट सिग्निफाइज कि घर में लफड़ा होने वाला है
झगड़ा.
हाँ झगड़ा
झगड़ा.
so झगड़ा कहते हैं बंगाली में नाउ हियर्स द पॉइंट सो इफ माय मॉम स्पॉट्स अ चप्पल which is overturned I have exactly 1.5 milliseconds to overturn it feeling which she will beat me with that chappal hence proving the superstition right.
There was,
So-
there was another thing, Shan. My mom used to say that don't sing on the dining table while eating because you would get married to a mad lady.
Don't sing on the diet. Maybe that was because you sing awfully.
No, it kind of came out true.
He has a wife, by the way.
It's the bong.
So this is the last episode. No, but my mom told me कि if you eat very like वो साफ करके अगर खाओ आप,
Right.
like the plate has to be very clean and all, परिष्कार करे खावा, then you get a beautiful wife.
No wonder you ate so clean,
Yes.
Shayan Bhattacharya.
As you know,
You
I have
rascal. The bachelor way of thinking.
Yes, so like 5-6 साल में मेरे को पता चल गया था कि करियर कहीं जाए ना जाए कुछ पढ़ाई में करूँ ना करूँ लड़की सुंदर होनी चाहिए बस so that's my habit I eat very cleanly but mainly because I am like lobi like I don't want to leave any food untouched
So the dick started thinking
yeah they started thinking
way before the mind started at all.
A lot of people say that bongs are horny do you agree with that
Who's not fucking horny, Shayan? Modi's horny. Lalit Modi.
right